Morning.
He got the triplex because he got it second hand.
This cool tree. Walking through a field of mountain-looking sunflowers. Like less than 5 miles to camp. Lots of climbing. Almost there. This cute little orange fungi have been growing all over the forest all day. Pretty cool. Hi guys. Where are we staying? Down by the bigger lake? Broken tent. Oh! Good thing I took this. Yeah. I was like, because Patty was just so upset that he bought the whole roll and nobody was taking any, so I took a bunch. Yeah. And I was like, I never used any tape this whole trip. I really don't need it, but I'll carry it in case other people. Oh, that's not a. Oh, we don't need a whole slice anyway. That's so funny. And I was offering it to Captain just the other day. We were gonna do his whole tent with all my tape.
I hope it holds.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe you don't have to buy a new one if it holds.
Yeah. Until there's more.
When did you buy it?
Last year.
Also, like, it's not just for.
I used it before the PCT. I used it last summer.
I'll have to clean up a little.
Okay. So we were up there on the hill, looking at the beautiful view, doing yoga, having fun, and little did we know, my tent was broken, and because it's too windy, but hopefully we fixed it for now. Hopefully I don't have to buy a new tent, but fixed it with some Gorilla Tape and my pole brace, so fingers crossed for us that we make it through the night.